because they have an affidavit to where they are allowed to be able to be in the courtroom recording this, that, and the third. And that was just only one media source from what was said to me. Then once we spoke on the Rule 22, it was like everybody said, gave us the look like, damn, we weren't prepared for that one. So once the Rule 22 came in effect, I actually witnessed the sheriff department doing any and everything they could to keep you from being able to go in the courtroom and record. Mm-hmm. Yep. I made the statement that is this a monetary thing? Because it was only one media group able to record. It was being publicized every day on YouTube to where you can go see it every day. A whole lot of things were taking place as far as you being able to enforce a Rule 22 that was awarded to you to be able to do, opposing to somebody doing something with an affidavit. So to me, I think that they picked on you because you was there representing the defense.
Right.
And they felt strongly that that's who you were there to represent, the defense. What make you different from the judge? The judge is there representing the state. And it's being shown. It's being publicly shown. He has shown that he's for the state by any means necessary. And as I say, we're going to say it again. And no one is speaking on it. No one is taking any power to say he's wrong, he shouldn't be doing it, he's not being a referee. He's being one of the players. So, I guess because he wears a gown and has a name as judge, that's what makes the difference. I don't care what type of clothing you have on, what type of sets you in, what type of moves you make. Wrong is wrong. Wrong is wrong. I think that the judge is incompetent to even be on this case. He has a mental issue. The judge has to have a service animal. That's an animal of comfort. What's the narrative for that? So yeah, I looked at an attorney talk today on TV, on YouTube, and he was speaking on how a lot of things have taken place and how a lot of things that these people have done has been against the judicial system itself. And he said the same thing I've been saying. Why haven't someone up high stepped in and stopped this bleeding? So all in all, I pray on it. I put it in God's hands, and I live with it. But one thing you can definitely believe, people, I'm not going to stop supporting these people. I'm not going to stop supporting them. And I'm making a stand today to ask all family members, not just the family members of the people in the YSL case. I'm asking all of the family members of any and everybody that's incarcerated, whether it's in a jail or a prison, to start supporting your loved ones. Start speaking up for them. Start being their voice, because they're not going to be heard in the situation that they are in. No one is going to hear them. So you have to be their voice. You have to be their voice. If you can argue with the next door neighbor about something that's meaningless, let's argue with these people who are making decisions on our loved ones' lives as if they're nobody. Let's make these stands. Let's make these stands. We can make the stands by meeting together. We can make the stands by protesting together. We can make the stands by everybody just simply filing complaints.
Absolutely.
File the complaints for your loved ones, especially when you know they are being treated unfairly. That's the only way we're going to get someone's attention, ladies and gentlemen. That's the only way. So we're going to want to come and say something.